Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the amazing power of natural foods to improve our overall health. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: 15 natural foods that can boost your bone health. You might be wondering, why is bone health so important? Well, let's dive right in. Our bones are the framework that supports our bodies and allows us to move freely. They protect our organs and serve as a storehouse for essential minerals like calcium and phosphorus. However, poor bone health can lead to various complications, including fractures, osteoporosis, and limited mobility. These issues can significantly impact our daily activities and quality of life. So, how can we keep our bones strong and healthy? One effective way is through our diet. By incorporating these 15 natural foods into our meals, we can provide our bones with the nourishment they need. Number 1. Greek yogurt. Number 1 on our list is Greek yogurt. This creamy delight is not only delicious but also rich in calcium, protein, and probiotics. Calcium is essential for building and maintaining strong bones, while protein helps in the synthesis of collagen, a key component of bone tissue. You can enjoy Greek yogurt as a snack or add it to smoothies for a calcium-packed treat. Number 2. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach and kale. These nutrient powerhouses are loaded with calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K, which play vital roles in bone strength. You can easily incorporate them into your diet by adding them to salads, stir-fries, or even blending them into a nutrient-rich green smoothie. Number 3. Salmon. This delicious fish is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and promote bone health. Simply bake or grill a piece of salmon and pair it with some steamed vegetables for a bone-boosting meal. Number 4. Almonds. These crunchy nuts are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that promote bone health. Almonds are a great source of calcium, magnesium, and vitamin E. You can enjoy them as a snack or add them to your morning cereal or yogurt for an extra boost of bone-nourishing goodness. Number 5. Oranges. Next up, we have a citrus favorite, oranges. These juicy fruits are not only refreshing but also loaded with vitamin C. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in the production of collagen, which is a building block for healthy bones. So, make sure to include oranges or other citrus fruits like grapefruits and lemons in your diet for that extra bone-boosting benefit. Number 6. Broccoli. Now, let's talk about broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable is a nutritional powerhouse for bone health. It contains calcium, vitamin K, and other essential nutrients that contribute to strong bones. To enjoy broccoli, steam or sauté it as a side dish or incorporate it into stir-fries and salads for a delicious and bone-friendly meal. Number 7. Chia seeds. These little seeds are rich in calcium, phosphorus, and omega-3 fatty acids, making them a fantastic addition to your bone-healthy diet. You can sprinkle them over yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies, or even use them as an egg substitute in baking recipes. The versatility of chia seeds makes it easy to incorporate them into your daily routine. Number 8. Sweet potatoes. Let's not forget about sweet potatoes. These vibrant root vegetables are not only delicious but also loaded with nutrients. Sweet potatoes are rich in potassium, magnesium, and vitamins A and C, which all contribute to bone health. Roast them, bake them, or mash them. There are endless ways to enjoy the goodness of sweet potatoes while nourishing your bones. Number 9. Sardines. These small fish may not be everyone's first choice, but they are incredibly beneficial for bone health. Sardines are packed with calcium, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids. Enjoy them grilled or canned, and you'll be providing your bones with a protein-rich and nutrient-dense meal. Number 10. Yogurt. We're back to dairy with regular yogurt. Just like Greek yogurt, regular yogurt is a great source of calcium and protein. It also contains probiotics, which contribute to a healthy digestive system which aids in absorption of essential nutrient for a healthy bone formation. Enjoy regular yogurt on its own or mix in some fruits and granola for a tasty and bone-loving snack. Number 11. Sesame seeds. Let's sprinkle some sesame seeds into our bone-healthy journey. These tiny seeds are packed with essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. You can add sesame seeds to your salads, stir-fries, or even use them as a topping for bread and baked goods. The nutty flavor and nutritional benefits make sesame seeds a fantastic addition to your bone-boosting arsenal. Number 12. Spinach. We mentioned leafy greens earlier, but we can't leave out spinach. This nutrient-dense green vegetable is not only rich in calcium but also contains vitamin K, which is crucial for bone health. Enjoy spinach in salads, sautés, or even blend it into a delicious green smoothie. It's a versatile and tasty way to support your bones. Number 13. Beans. Let's give a shout-out to beans for their bone-loving properties. Beans, such as black beans, kidney beans, and chickpeas, are excellent sources of calcium, magnesium, and protein. They are also high in fiber, which supports overall digestive health. Incorporate beans into your meals by adding them to soups, stews, salads, or even making homemade bean burgers. Your bones will thank you. Number 14. Eggs. Next up, we have a breakfast favorite, eggs. These protein-packed wonders are not only versatile but also a good source of vitamin D and calcium. Vitamin D is essential for calcium absorption, which is crucial for strong bones. Whip up some scrambled eggs, make a veggie omelet, or enjoy a boiled egg as a quick and nutritious snack. Number 15. Quinoa. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about quinoa. This ancient grain is a fantastic addition to a bone-healthy diet. Quinoa is rich in protein, magnesium, and phosphorus, all of which contribute to bone strength. It's also gluten-free and easy to prepare. Use quinoa as a base for salads, mix it into soups, or enjoy it as a side dish. The versatility and nutritional value of quinoa make it a must-have for maintaining strong bones. And there you have it, our list of 15 natural foods that improve bone health. By incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your diet, you can give your bones the nourishment they need for optimal health and strength. Remember, variety is key, so try to include a mix of these foods in your meals to reap the maximum benefits. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And remember, always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized advice on your specific dietary needs. Stay tuned for more informative and engaging content on our channel. Thanks for watching, and remember, your bone health matters. Take care, and we'll catch you in the next video. Stay healthy and transform well.